New York Attorney General Letitia James, a known critic of Donald Trump, has made it clear she's determined to keep pursuing her legal actions against him, even with his recent election win. While mayor, she didn't expect Trump to regain power, but she says she and her office are fully prepared to face whatever may come their way, including any potential backlash. In fact, James was quick to assure everyone that she's ready for any revenge or retribution that could be aimed at her now that Trump is set to return to the White House. Before we get into the details, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for your support. During a press conference, James didn't hold back. She described how her team has been preparing for this exact scenario for months, reminding everyone that they're not new to this type of battle. She drew on her previous experiences confronting Trump's administration when he was president from 2017 to 2021, highlighting that her office took nearly 100 legal actions against his administration during that time. Those actions included pushing back on Trump's policies to limit tax deductions on state and local taxes, fighting to protect the Affordable Care Act, often known as Obamacare, blocking his attempt to add a citizenship question to the 2020 census, and stand up against plans to defund and dismantle the U.S. Postal Service. James pointed out that dealing with these past legal battles has given her team a clear sense of what to expect and how to counteract the possible moves of an incoming Trump administration. She mentioned specifically that they have a contingency plan in place to respond if Trump tries to reduce or eliminate federal funding to New York. She urged New Yorkers to stay resilient and strong, expressing her commitment to defending the rights of New York citizens and maintaining the rule of law in the face of any threats. On top of her ongoing cases, James also referenced a major recent victory against Trump in a civil fraud lawsuit. Her office secured a $40 million judgment against Trump after alleging he had inflated his net worth by billions of dollars to secure better loan and insurance terms. As part of this case, she targeted several of Trump's high-value properties, like his Westchester Golf Club and Seven Springs Estate, as assets that could potentially be seized if necessary to fulfill the court's judgment. However, Trump has since appealed the decision, and the case continues to play out in the courts. Interestingly, is during a recent session, judges scrutinized the New York prosecutors, questioning the nearly $500 million penalty and asking who had been directly harmed in the transactions if no money was technically lost. The final decision is still pending, so it remains unclear how this case will ultimately end. Despite these uncertainties, James remains steadfast in her commitment. When asked if she feels threatened or intimidated by Trump, she simply replied, "I'm not fearful of Donald Trump." Her confidence and determination are evident as she expressed her intention to continue her work undeterred. In essence, James is signaling that she's ready for a long fight. She's leaning on her years of experience handling Trump-related cases and seems determined to stand firm no matter what challenges come her way. True for James, this isn't just about one person. It's about her duty to uphold justice for New Yorkers and ensure that the rule of law remains intact, regardless of who's in the White House. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.